हॉटेल बांदपाक पास कोत्ता आपली सोय दिता कितें आनी आपल्यो टॅक्सीच्या हॉटेलान कितें ही पळय गार्बेज पळय हिंगा ही खंयच्या पंचायती फुड्यान मेळची ना पण हांगा कांसावल्या आरोसी कुयेली पंचायती मुखार ही गार्बेज
They are overrating the weapons, going high speed. They are not supposed to go at high speed. They have not put the facilities in order. We have to have bypass. We have to have underground passes. These are the necessary. With the chapel. We guys have no words. I don't know me. I am to the Islam. I am to follow this thing. Parking place. Now they are parking in the church property or on the side road, blocking everybody. They should ask, where is the parking place? Even if the plans are passed by the central government, whatever it is, they are supposed to send a copy.
He's asking me whether I will keep the policemen. Is that right? Not the policemen, sorry. Definitely you're not the policemen, but you are the authority to ensure that things happen as per the law. So you have to check it. That is one way that the panchayat and the local level. Otherwise, what's the name of the panchayat? Panchayat has to serve the local needs, and if after you try your best, it still does not work, maybe you can come to the higher authority, then you can approach your chief minister, because the chief minister is always available to the people. So please do that. Take care, make sure life is peaceful to the people of your village. Thank you. Who has to monitor this? Definitely the local authority. That's the who pays about it.
No, the village is there. Panchayat is the
Local
village.
authority, the panchayat, that's the village. And if there is now, we should also not have biases against any, what should I say, hotels or anything. But really, if it is disturbing, then complain to the panchayat. Panchayat has to take action. And there is two ways about it. I think that's a well-known so then what is the use? Only panchayat has to be active. Panchayat has to fulfill the purpose for which it is elected.
Now see, take example, noise pollution. Now noise pollution, the High Court has given the order to the police to implement it. Even if the weddings crosses after 10:30, the police come and enforce that law. Now regarding the decibels, we don't have the meter. How much is the decibel and high music, low music. After 10:30, then certain decibels are permitted to have. Even for weddings, they put low music, but the loud music they stop at 10:30. So they have to implement. No, we are not the policemen to go. Alright, stop it. Tomorrow they might put a counter case against the Sarpanch. Sarpanch is also not above the law.
So you
Issues all pertaining to the government. Okay, and you very well know that Gram Sabha has no powers, and Panchayat also. Whatever they are asking, they have to amend the rules of the Panchayat first to give powers to the Panchayat. So now TCP is not passing the plan, changing of zones. That doesn't come under purview of the Panchayat. Zoning is done by the TCP. They have got the TCP board where any zones has to be changed. They put for the board meeting, and they get the board approved by the board. The plans that come, we are the last postman. The technical authority are the TCP. They have to see the technical aspect or whether the setbacks. The collector is responsible for giving the sanad.
This is in response to?
No, general I'm saying. Because all the things that come separately only. Let's say not to pass the plans, stop giving licenses to the multi-dwelling houses or hotels because there's no garbage. So the matter is in the High Court. And in some panchayats, High Court has given order not to issue. If we come, the panchayat comes in the picture, not to issue the license, we will follow the High Court order. Because MLAs are sent there to legislate the laws. And whatever we do, we follow the Panchayat Raj Act. So if they want to give more powers to the panchayat, then they should amend this. Now they are talking of the 73rd amendment, where they have given the powers. You very well know, no? Where are the powers? Even if tomorrow we reject the plans, anybody's plans, and their plans are correct, that person, agreed person, makes this to the deputy director.
So you have taken resolution.
These people went to High Court, they went to NGT, they went to Supreme Court, they went to all the this. Everywhere they are thrown out. So if we don't give them, they put all the orders and give to us the final this. So we would have done the contempt of court, because Supreme Court is the final court of this country.
On doubling and other issues, what happened?
See, doubling, we have sent already the resolution long time back. Now whether they will implement it or don't implement it, that is there. Because even the MLA, she's putting all the blame on the panchayat. If panchayat had all the powers in there, why there should be MLAs?
And what about
Why
Yad?
we are just implementing the Panchayat Raj Act. Tomorrow, even we don't give, as I told you. The next appellant is who? The Deputy Director of Panchayat. And if all their papers are correct, and all the orders are correct, we cannot refuse them, saying that, where is that? I read that Gram Sabha, the powers and what the judgment is given. So, judgment clearly says that Gram Sabha tomorrow, even tomorrow we take resolution that this Panchayat Ghar has to be sold. Will secretary implement it? So he will not implement it because we cannot sell the government.
You disagree?
Yeah, I disagreed with the MLA. I told her we are not the policemen to go and implement the High Court order.
रेझोल्युशन घेतलें आमकां आमच्या गांवांत कोस्टल एरियांत आनी हॉटेलां नाकाय जे पळय आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज आहाय पाणी आहाय सँड ड्युन्स आहाय ते सांबाळून दवरच्यो ओके हे ऑलरेडी डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान कलेक्टरान ऑलरेडी आमी इनवर्ट करून दिलो आहा सो लोकांनी सायन बायन मारलो आहाय हे जालो आसतना तरी पासून हे हॉटेल आनी पास करीत आहाय ओके प्लस आमी गांवांत आनी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स बी आनी आमकां नाका आमी सांगले ओके आहाय ते पुरो आनी पास कोन्न नाकाय गांवांत रस्ते आहाय ते 10 मीटर रस्ते नाय हेणे आरपीचे 10 मीटर रस्ते दाखयलो आहाय ते आरपीचे चोवन टीसीपी त्या मार्गार टीसीपीचे घालताय टीसीपी इज नॉट अ फायनल ऑथॉरिटी पंचायत इज द फायनल ऑथॉरिटी ओके सो प्लीज मागता आनी पोतून हॉटेलां वो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स पास कोन्न नाकाय
म्हजें नांव जुझे फर्नांडीस हांव ह्या गांवचो एक नागरीक आतां 2014 आमचे पंचायतीन एक गार्बेज सायट आयडेंटिफाय केलोली ओके आनी ही गार्बेज सायट आयडेंटिफाय केलो ती त्या लागशिल्ल्या लोकांक आडकोड जाता म्हूण थंयचो पंच ती ओपोज करपाक लागलो ग्रामसभा घेवन लोकांक घेवन येवन आनी म्हणपाक लागलो तुमी कांसावली आरोसीची गार्बेज कुयेली घेवन येतले तुमी बिल्डिंगां कांसावली आरोसी बिल्डिंगां हॉटेलां बांदतले आनी गार्बेज तुमी कुयेली हाडून घातले अशें म्हूण तेणें ओपोज करून ती गार्बेज सायट बंद केली आतां होच पंच आमच्या आरोसी हॉटेल पास कोत्ता हॉटेलां लो लायिंग एरियाज आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज आहाय आमचे नालाज आहाय आमचे गांवचे उदक फ्लो जाता तें पाड घालून वो हॉटेल बांदूंक सोदता हॉटेल बांदपाक पास कोत्ता आपली सोय दिता कितें आनी आपल्यो टॅक्सी त्या हॉटेलान लायता म्हणजे तेग्या गांवां इफेक्ट जाता तें तो चोयन घेता आनी आमच्या गांवां इफेक्ट जाता तें कांय जायना कितें ही पळय गार्बेज पळय हिंगा ही हुंचे पंचायती फुड्यान मेळची ना पण आमगे कांसावल्या आरोसी कुयेली पंचायती मुखल्यान ही गार्बेज हाडून घायल्या एनकोड्या गार्बेज सायट ना आनी आतांच्या काळार गार्बेज सायट आयडेंटिफाय केले त्यो पासून रिजेक्ट जालो आहाय गार्बेज सायट नासतना हेणी लायसन्स दिलें ही लायसन्सां आमी मागताय सगळ्या विलेजस रिवोक करचे म्हणून ताबडतोब दिलो आहाय ती सगळी ताबडतोब रिवोक करची आनी ऑलरेडी आतां 1 लाख दिलां दुसरी पायपलायनीक आहाय पयर फाटी एकलो येवन गोंयांत येवन म्हणपाक लागलो लास्ट टायमाक म्हाज्या प्रश्नाक डेव्हलपमेंट आनी एनवायरमेंट बॅलन्स जावपा जाय म्हणून म्हाका त्या थ्रू मिडिया विचारपा जाय डेव्हलपमेंट आनी इन्व्हायरमेंट कशें करून बॅलन्स करता तो. एक वाटेन तो डेव्हलपमेंट करपा जाय जाल्यार इन्व्हायरमेंट पेडेर जावपाकूच जाय 100%. वय की ना ते सांगाय तुम्ही लोक सांगाय वय की ना जाल्यार तो बॅलन्स कशें करतलो. आतां हेरिटेज विलेज आहा आमच्या गांवांत हॉटेल हायत आहा तें आतां ITC जालां. कितें आतां हेरिटेजा तेंकोन आनी एक 50 मिटरा भितर आनी एक येता. तेंकोन 50 मिटरा भितर आनी एक येता. ते फुडें आनी 50 मिटर मायजूच फुडें येता आनी ही लायन कंटिन्यूस जाता अप टू वेलसांव. हें आमकां जालोलें नाका. फुडले पिळगेक आमचे लो लायंग एरियाज, आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज, आमचे नालास आमकां सांबाळून दवरपा जाय. आमची शेतां आहा ही शेतां आतां तेणी घेतल्या आनी गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा शेतां कन्वर्ट करूंक जायना. आतां तेणी शेतां कन्वर्शनाक घातल्या. ती कशी कन्वर्ट करपाक सोदता तो गव्हर्मेंट आमकां पळोवपा जाय. इतलें सांगून हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं.